Hello everyone, how are you all? Well, students, today we are here to discuss about a new topic of organic chemistry, and that is carboxylic group. So here carboxylic acid, about it you will study. So carboxylic acid, that are organic compound consisting carboxylic group, COOH group. Okay, this one is carboxylic group, and when it attached to an alkyl group like CH3C2H5, these are the alkyl groups. When it attached with alkyl groups, it forms an acid, and here this one is called the formic acid and this one is called the acetic acid. It is attached with hydrogen and it is attached with methyl group. Okay, now representation of carboxylic acids, that is represented by RCOOH. That means COOH group is there. R for alkyl groups, like alkyl groups like methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, that will be indicated with R. Now function, here functional group of carboxylic acid, that is COOH. And classification, carboxylic acids are classified as monocarboxylic acid. That means mono means one. When one carboxylic acids will be there, that is called the monocarboxylic acid. And if number of COOH group present in the molecules, on that basis you will say that it is monocarboxylic, dicarboxylic, or polycarboxylic, or tricarboxylic. Okay, now example, acetic acid. Here acetic acid, that is a monocarboxylic acid and is a monobasic acid. Okay, now monocarboxylic acid is aliphatic series, are commonly called fatty acids as many of them. Examples, palmitic acid and constituents of fats and oils. Now sources of acetic acid, it is a carboxylic acid. The sources of acetic acid, that is called the ethanoic acid also. The sources of acetic acid is a fatty acid and a chief constituent of vinegar. So Latin name is acetum. Now it occurs in free state in fruits juice which on fermentation have gone sour. Okay, and it is present in the combined state in plant extracts. Now nomenclature of carboxylic acid, so here at this suffix you will write the oic acid in the nomenclature, oic acid. Now and everything will remain same like another's. Now here you will write the oic acid. So here since only one carbon is present, so its name is formic acid, but IUPAC for one carbon you will write the meth. So this one is methanoic acid, and here two carbons, it is called the ethanoic acid. It is propanoic acid, and then butanoic acid, then isobutyric acid. It is called in IUPAC 2-methyl propanoic acid, since here methyl is attached at second position, 1 2 3. So this one is 2-methyl and propanoic acid. Now preparation of acetic acid, so by oxidation you can prepare it. When ethyl alcohol is oxidized in presence of K2Cr2O7 means potassium dichromate, it gives the acetaldehyde and water, and when this acetaldehyde is oxidized, this acetic acid is formed, and by the hydrolysis of ethyl acetate it will formed. Okay, and ethyl alcohol will also produced. Now physical properties of acetic acid. Acetic acid means CH3COOH, and physical states at ordinary temperature acetic acid is a colorless liquid, and its solubility and odor, so pungent odor of vinegar miscible with water and alcohol and ether. Its boiling point is 118 degrees centigrade. And now liquefaction, so here pure acidic acid, the pure acetic acid that forms an ice-like solid on cooling, that is glacial acetic acid. It is very dangerous, it can burn your hands also. And anhydrous acetic acid on cooling below 16.5 degrees centigrade crystallized out in pure form and forming a crystalline mass resembling ice. Hence, pure acetic acid is called the glacial acetic acid. Now, chemical properties. So here, litmus, you know that this is an acid, so it will turn blue litmus paper to red. Now, when it reacts with alkali, it gives sodium acetate here, and in this case by calcium hydroxide it will give calcium acetate, and ammonium hydroxide it will give the ammonium acetate and water. Now, chemical properties here. So in chemical properties, next one is when this acetic acid react with sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. So with sodium carbonate it give the CH3COONA, that is sodium acetate, and by the sodium hydrogen carbonate means sodium bicarbonate also it give the sodium acetate, and rest products are same, water and carbon dioxide. Now, active metals like sodium and magnesium, when they react with acetic acid they form their acetate. So this one is sodium acetate and magnesium acetate, and hydrogen gas is evolved. Now, reaction with alcohols, when this acetic acid react with the alcohol, so it gives the ethyl acetate with presence of concentrated H2SO4 or dry HCl gas, and water is released. Now, next thing is test for acetic acid. So esters have a fruity smell and serves as a test for acetic acid, and acetic acid is also reacts with the neutral FeCl3 means ferric chloride solution and to give a wine red color, and also serves as a test for acetic acid. It is the practical experience. Now, when this acetic acid react with phosphorus trichloride, it gives the CH3COCl, which is acetyl chloride, and here by the PCl5 also it gives the acetyl chloride, and here it gives phosphorus acid, and here POCl3 phosphorus oxychloride and hydrogen chloride. Now, CH3COOH, that is acetic acid, also form the acetic anhydride and water, and it also when react with the hydrogen gives the ethanol. So by this acetic acid you can prepare the ethanol also. And uses of acetic acid, then in manufacturing of important organic compounds it is used. So here acetic acid is used to the preparation of vinyl acetate and acetic anhydride used in aspirin, cellulose acetate used in synthetic fibers and various dyes, and the perfumes and medicines it is used. Now, in food industries also it is used vinegar for preserving the and flavoring the food. As a solvent it is used because it dissolves the phosphorus, sulfur and iodine. As a laboratory reagent also it is used to prepare the acetone and esters, and as a coagulant it is used. It is all about your acetic acid and about your this chapter. Thank you all.